Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I have received a really beautiful package by Beetles Gel Polish brand, and it's their Bare Collection Gel Polish Kit. So I don't know what's inside. Like I know there are some gel polishes, but I'm not sure which kind of colors are there. So let's get started. Let's just I have just like taken out the plastic on the box, and I'm gonna just like see what's inside. So let's just open it. Wow, oh my god, so many colors are there, and I think these are like top coats. Yeah, this is a top coat, this is a foundation which is base coat, and this is like a matte top coat. And see the packaging, oh my god, the packaging is so good. Like if you can see the matte, it seems like it's matte because it's a matte finish packaging, and the glossy one looks really glossy. So you can see the difference in both of these bottles. A clear difference is there. Yeah, so let's just take it out and let me show you guys how these all looks like. Okay, it came in a really good and secure packaging, so there is no you don't have to worry about it for breaking or something. Like the bottle won't break in the shipment thing because they are already very secure. This is a color code, and I think this is a glitter one because as you can see, like there is a glitter, and there are like no names on the bottle. There are just numbers, so you can detect the colors by their numbers. And I think these are like their nude collection, something I can say, because all of them are like really pretty nude colors. I'm not sure how they actually work and how they actually are in real. So let's take them all out. Okay, so you can see right over here, like all of the gel polishes are in front of you, and you can see the colors like on the top of it. So I'm gonna show you like all the colors, but first, like I'm thinking about to create a nail design by using these all nude colors because I have a design in my mind, and I feel like creating a really pretty design for it by using these all colors. So for as a base gel, I think I should be using this. I think this is like, let's see how, wow, it looks really nice, and it also matches the top of the color shade. Okay, you can see the Beetles gel polish, and it's really nice. Wow, okay. I'm so excited. Okay, I think I should be using this color. Wow, look at that. It's a really pretty coffee shade kind of color, and really nice. Wow, formula seems good too, but I'm not sure how it's done this. I think this is the base gel that I'm gonna use today. Oh my god, this is a jelly gel. Oh my god, can you see it? See the jelly inside, which I think this color will give you a really natural look on your nails. So I think I should be using this as a base gel, and then I will be using some of the colors that I'm taking out. So let's take them out. If you're wondering where to make a purchase for Beetles gel polishes, then you have to simply go onto their website, which is beetlesgel.com, and you can use my code NEWTRICKS at checkout page to get some dollars off. So I've taken out some of the gel colors from the collection of Beetles Gel Polish New Gel Kit, and these are like some of the colors that I really like, and I'm gonna use these all colors in today's nail art tutorial. So let's get started. First, I will be taking like a holder like on which I will be applying the nails, and I will be using so many other products as well, so I will mention all the links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. Now I've taken this holder which helps to do some nail art on press-on nails, and these press-on nails by EC Basket, and I got it from Amazon store. You can get any good quality press-on nails, or you can just like get any acrylic nails as well on your own nails. It will be fun to have and play with colors by Beetles gels. So first, let me just start with the foundation of the Beetles, which is like a base coat and it's like a base gel, and let's see how this actually works. So I'm going to just apply the base gel as on the holder. Going to dry this under the lamp for 60 seconds, and I'm now going to then take this color. Okay, so it's like a really pretty nude kind of color, which is like more of a jelly gel color. You can see it, and it's also it's really good for, you know, the base like base color. So I think this is going to match my base color a lot. So let's just apply it after the base coat that I've applied. Now it's time to apply the base gel, so I'm going to just take it. I will be applying just one coat of it, because the more coats you will apply, the more unnatural it will look as like a base gel. So just to give it a really natural look, I'm going to apply this color. The base gel color code is 925, and now going to dry this under the lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so now I'm going to make some French nail art, and for that I'm going to use these long bristle brush, like the one you can see it over here. It's like really long. These are the normal ones. This is not the shortest one, but it's also a long bristle. But I'm talking about the really long bristle brush, because it helps you to create a really fine line. And if you have like problem in creating a really round or V-tip French, so you can use this brush for your French tip nail art. So I've ordered in from AliExpress. You can check out the link in the description down below to order it as well. So I'm going to take this off and see how long it is. Like, see, so it helps a lot to create a long bristle nail art. Okay, so for the first color, I'm going to take a color which is like really light, as this is like a thumbnail. So for the thumbnail, I'm gonna take a light color, which is like more having of a nude shade inside, but it's more of a light color. So this is in the shade 924, and let's just show you, like, see, this is not a pure white, this is like a yellowish kind of white, which is also a part of nude collection. So I'm going to take it, and I'm also going to apply it on the brush like that. Okay, and I'm going to take this nail and I'm going to just do the French nail art like that. You can follow any kind of step you have in your mind to create a French tip, but for me, I try to go really slowly. I follow the rule like that, and you can do that too. Just try to make sure you are doing it a really round, perfect tip. It's okay if you don't, like, if you make mistake. So this long bristle brush is like going to help you a lot to create a round or a V tip or any kind of tip that you are looking for. Okay, and I'm just going to follow the line of it. Like, I'm not doing any particular tips or tricks are not there. You just have to follow the line. You have to be really precise in creating a round or any kind of other tip. I can see looks good. And I'm just going to follow the other, like I'm just going to make this, the side lines a little more thicker. See, this is how I'm gonna do. Okay, now it looks really perfect French, as you can see. So it's done, and I'm going to take another color, which is for this finger. So okay, so for that color I think I should be taking really light nude, and I'm not sure which is the lightest one. I think this is okay. It's really dark. I think this is like a little more lighter, so I'm going to take, and this is in the shade 9-2. Now another nail shade for this finger, I'm going to take, this is 929 shade number, and it's really pretty color. As you can see, it's like a really pretty nude color, and it's like more like of a really startling kind of teasy nude color. So I'm going to apply it on this, on the long bristle brush. Okay, I'm just going to immediately apply it on the nail tip. Okay, as you can see, I'm not really doing like a perfect, as in this thought, I'm like not doing a perfect lineup. I'm just trying to spread the color in the first step. Okay, you can see it's not perfect, but this is what I do. This is how I actually apply a French color shade. Now for the third gel polish, I'm going to use this 931 color shade, and it's a really pretty pinky kind of color, which is going to match my this midi finger. And I'm going to apply it on the, maybe you can just take this on the tip, or maybe you just can do this on the bristles. I do it both. Okay, so because it's like a really long finger, so it's gonna be needing more color. Now for the fourth color, I'm going to take the shade, which is in the shade 934, and it's, you can see the really kind of a burnt brown color. Okay, which is like really good for any kind of occasion, or if you're wearing a dark color, I think this is the color for you. It does have a pink hues in it too, like there is like a dark pink hues too, so it's really perfect. So I'm going to do this fourth color. I'm going to apply it on bristles. You can see it looks really good. Now it's time to apply the color on the fourth nail color, which is time to apply the last fifth color, which is 937 shade, and I think this is the most darkest color in the whole collection, like as in the gel polish. Okay, so you can see like the color is like really dark and really nice, kind of a, you know, you can see it's really pretty. So I'm going to apply it. Now you can see all the colors are dried under the lamp for 60 seconds, and you can see the quality of the color is so good. Like, it's not clumsy or not making any problem, and the optic application was also really smooth. So I think gel polishes are really good quality. And the last step is to apply the top coat. So let's see how this works. Okay, it says that it's a soak off UV LED cured top coat, so I think it's gonna be a no wipe top coat. Okay, let's see how this works. This is the last step of the application, so I hope this will look good. Let's try this under the lamp for 60 seconds.